Hey lovely people, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a little different. It's real life, raw and beautiful. We spent the weekend at West Park, Izmir shopping, celebrating Mother's Day and making memories. But stay with me, because throughout this vlog, I'll also share how I mix my mom life with making income using AI tools, all from a little desk in my kid's bedroom. The day started off with sunshine and laughter. My heart melted when I got a heartwarming message from my elder son wishing me a happy Mother's Day. We packed into the car and headed our destination, West Park Mall. This is one of my favorite places in Izmir. It's vibrant, spacious, and there's something for everyone, even an aquarium. I love these small road trips. They give me time to think about content ideas, affiliate product angles, and my next Pinterest pin strategy, all while being fully present with my family. As soon as we got to the mall, the kids were buzzing with energy. We walked past the flower stalls and little did I know, my surprise was already being planned behind my back. We checked out some shops for Mother's Day gifts. I wasn't expecting anything, but I'll admit I had my eyes on casual work from home outfits. You know, for those Pinterest sessions and AI editing nights. While I was browsing, my husband and the kids sneakily picked a bouquet I didn't even notice. Moments like these remind me why I started this channel, to capture real life while building digital income. Next up, we visited the aquarium inside the mall. If you're ever in Izmir with kids, it's a must. The look on my children's faces as they saw the sharks, jellyfish, and colorful fish, that joy is priceless. While they explored, I couldn't help but think, this is what passive income should be, for freedom, family, flexibility. I remembered I had an affiliate pin going live on Pinterest at that exact moment. It's crazy, AI really allows us to automate so much. After all that walking, we stopped for dinner. And let me tell you, Turkish cuisine never disappoints. We had yummy meat steak, meze, and some fresh ayran. But the real highlight, the bouquet they surprised me with during dinner. I literally teared up. My husband smiled and said, "You're doing so much for our family, it's your day." I knew at that moment I needed to share this video. Not just for the memories, but to encourage every mama chasing her dreams from home. Driving back, the kids slept peacefully in the back. The flowers were next to me, and I kept thinking about how far we've come. I started making affiliate income with AI just months ago, and now I want to earn more so that I can spend more time with my family, supporting hobbies, and giving me moments like this. So yes, you can build income using tools like Zine AI, Pictory AI, Pinterest, Chatgpt, Notion AI, and more, right from your child's bedroom. Back home, I placed the bouquet and the new indoor tree we bought in my content room. And in the kitchen, sometimes while the kids nap, I use AI tools to create influencer videos, generate pins that sell, and plan affiliate campaigns. If you're watching this thinking, can I really do this too? My answer is yes. Start small. Create an AI influencer using Zine or HeyGen. Use Flux or Canva for product mockups. Choose a product from Amazon or AliExpress. Post regularly on Pinterest. That's literally how I made my first $100 online. Not overnight, but definitely faster than I expected. So that was our special day full of laughter, love, and little reminders that AI can fuel your lifestyle, not take over your life. If you're a stay-at-home mom, a dreamer, or just someone tired of 9-5 limits, this channel is for you. Let's build something beautiful with the tools we have, even if it starts in a tiny corner of our kids' room. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if this resonated with you. I'll see you in the next video with more real life, more income ideas, and more love.